Here are some old-fashioned frugal tips that your grandmother might have shared with you. Shop at thrift stores or yard sales for clothing, household items, and furniture. You can often find gently used items at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Save leftover food and repurpose it into new meals. For example, you can use leftover cooked meat to make a soup or casserole. Plant a garden and grow your own fruits and vegetables. Not only will this save you money on groceries, but it can also be a fun and rewarding hobby. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, such as eating out or buying new clothes, and put the money you save into a savings account or investment. Use coupons and take advantage of sales when shopping for groceries and other household items. Cut back on energy and water usage to save on utility bills. For example, you can turn off lights when you leave a room and take shorter showers. Repair or repurpose items instead of throwing them away and buying new ones. For example, you can sew a torn piece of clothing or fix a leaky faucet instead of replacing it. Share resources and expenses with friends or neighbors. For example, you can carpool to save on gas, or split the cost of a bulk purchase. Use public transportation, walk, or ride a bike instead of driving to save on gas and car maintenance costs. Consider getting a side job or starting a small business to earn extra income. This can help you save more money and reach your financial goals faster.